আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আপনারা একটি দারুণ অ্যাপ সম্বন্ধে জানতে চলেছেন। You are going to know about an interesting app which you do not know before. So let's begin the video. It is an app which you can solve any type of maths or interesting maths. So let's back into the screen. In this screen I will show you the full matter and search QANDA in the Play Store. You have to download. And another thing, if you use this app, you have to make sure that your internet connection is open or not. If your internet connection is not open, you can't install it and you can't use this app. Install it from the Google Play Store and open the app. After opening, here you can see millions of students admitted here. Here you can log in. Without logging, you can't enter into this app. So log in Facebook or Google account. So after logging, here you can see grades. Which grade are you? After tabbing into the grades, here you can see that permission is over your app. You have to allow this permission. After permission accepting, here you can see that camera is open. You have to first tab into the screen. After tabbing, here you can see the tutorial of this app. How you can crop. You can crop easily by the cropping machine. There is many teachers in this app. Here they solve your maths easily. So it's interesting app for you. Math solution. Here you can see many type of answers and the answers is right, correct. And after this you need not to see the tutorial. Come back. You have to know your answer. After coming back, here you can see here is a sheet of my math. Here I am showing you the math solution, how you can use this app properly. So capture the photo. After capturing the photo, crop the answer. After copying the answer, here is the tick button. Click into the tick button. After click tick button, here you have to wait some minutes or seconds. See the answers. and you can see YouTube channels of these teachers. Whatever, you can click into the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or more numbers. Here is the solution categories 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the top, you can see. So, in this way, you can solve your maths properly in a minute. If this app is interesting, please একটি লাইক দিবেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন ARZONE চ্যানেলকে এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে রাখুন যাতে এরকম নোটিফিকেশন সবার আগে পেতে পারেন।